So these clutch style bar clamps from Bessey are probably the most used clamp in my arsenal, if you will. I got a clamp rack back there. It's got a bunch of other style clamps, but these I grab the most, and it's because they're just really handy. They're really versatile. They are very quick to find the jaw length or jaw size that you need. You can get them in a bunch of different sizes, so that's pretty cool. Super easy to tighten down, good grip. It's just, these are really simple, the clutch here, and you can push up into it. You hear that ratchet. Put your piece in here and then ratchet up to it. But if you're trying to open that up, it's not opening it at all. Tighten it down with this handle. Doesn't have to be perfectly flush or straight across in order to get the jaws here on it. Anyway, just really versatile, great to have lying around in the shop, cheap enough to where you can buy a bunch of these and use them for all sorts of projects, putting your projects together, holding stuff down. I don't know, I use these for everything, so check them out.